One of the most pertinent issues we were facing here at the Board of Nursing was loss of documents. And what I mean by that, all of our applications and documents are on paper. We had no online services and no document management system. Everything we did was strictly paper. We purchased cabinets on top of cabinets. In fact, one of our rooms in our agency was just full of file cabinets only, along with boxes and along with bins full of paper. RJ Young, analyst, sat down with us to go over our workflow, to go over our processes. It was an enormous task to take on. We've licensed close to 60,000 nurses here in the state, and it's very important that we're able to retrieve their applications and their historical information. An investigator works on one piece, our attorney works on another. So we have two people working with the same documents. With paper, one person had to stop their process, hand the paper off, and give it back to the investigator. But with RJ Young's system, with having us look at it simultaneously, that problem has been alleviated. Up to 4 people or even more can do their task at the same time, and we won't interrupt each other's workflow. It's made things much, much more efficient. The level of professionalism, the one-on-one, the ability to just sit down and troubleshoot with someone, that is priceless. And we certainly got there with RJ Young, and we got that customization that we wanted.